I've had a really difficult week. I got sick after my trip to Mexico City and found that out when I got home. Really sad because I realized looking at my calendar that my son's birthday is a week later. For the past week, I've had two things that I needed to do, and that is, one, get better so that I can be there for my son's birthday, and two, I need to get the ball rolling for some of these like projects that I have planned for my son's birthday. I need to put orders in. I need to, just have everything planned out and ready to go. And so today's Friday. His birthday's tomorrow. I am feeling significantly better. I'm not out of breath like I was. The brain fog is still there. Like I'll have something, like I'll think of something that I need to do, and then I'll walk to that room and then be like, wait, why was I in here? That's been pretty hard because I've felt scattered brain. But what I am most proud of is that I've been able to get better, and the birthday party, like my to-do list, like we are crushing it. We're checking things off, completing things. So I am very, very proud. Still have a couple of things to do before tomorrow. So I just wanted to jump on here and just share with you all like what my journal is looking like for the month of September. Now, I noticed last month in August that I wasn't, like ever since I moved from my passion planner to the MD Midori, I am not journaling as much as I would like to. So in September, what I've done is just dedicate time each night to journal, whatever that may be. So it was nice to start off the month with a journal entry, and then I hand wrote Ann Patchett's article of my year of no shopping, because that was my goal for September. I did not want to shop. I wanted to just be mindful of my purchases. And when I hand wrote that article, it took up a lot of space. Maybe tomorrow or the day after, when I have some time, I do want to fill in the margins and just talk about my experience with no shopping for the month of September. Like, what did I go through? What was my thought process like? So that is the goal for the margins in this section. And then I also included my Hobonichi purchase. So I purchased the Hobonichi A6 AVEC, my very first Hobonichi. I have a couple more journal entries. I have a quote here from the book Atonement. And then I included a little affirmation cards from Petite Gloom. And my flight information for Mexico. And I got this really, really pretty card from a museum in Mexico City. And I just really liked it. And then I also included our itinerary for Mexico. Like, this is definitely a trip worth remembering. So yeah, I think I'm gonna finish out this entry here and then work on the art project that I need to complete for my son's birthday. If I haven't already said it, I am making these goodie bags for the kids that are coming to my son's birthday. And the theme for his birthday is Formula One. Just thought it would be such a cool birthday theme, especially a first birthday, because Formula One, Shelby's turning 1. Instead of having goodie bags that say Formula One or Red Bull on it, I decided to just go with the color scheme. Navy blue tote bags with gold lettering, and I want the gold letters to say the kids' names so that they can use it for other things. They don't have to, it's not obvious that it's from a birthday party. They can use it for, when they're going to daycare or if they're going to a sleepover or something. It's still a really cute tote bag. So I need to do that tonight.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shelby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shelby. Happy birthday to you. Help him blow a candle.
You ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.